In this video, we will learn about the diode, how to connect diode in forward wise as well as reverse wise. So we will now first discuss what is diode. So diode, basically PN junction diode, is a two-terminal device. First is N type and another is P type. We will connect it as forward wise as reverse wise according to the which terminal of diode P or N we connect which terminal of our battery. Here we will see everything is practically. This is a diode which have two terminal. One is anode and other is cathode. So if we add the anode with the positive terminal of battery and cathode with the negative terminal of battery, then it is in forward wise. When we add cathode to the positive terminal of battery and anode to the negative terminal of battery, then it is in reverse wise. We will see practically. We will choose a diode. This is a anode and this is a cathode. We will choose a resistor. Now we will connect the terminal. Then we will choose a power supply. This is a positive terminal of power supply. This is a negative terminal of power supply. So forward wise, this is an anode. So we add this positive terminal of power supply with this resistor. So we will provide the positive power supply. Then we will take the negative from here, and for output we will choose an LED. This will be the anode or this will be the cathode. We will connect the anode with the cathode of diode and the cathode of LED to the ground. Now the circuit is complete, so we will start simulation and the LED will glow because our diode is forward wise. Why it is forward wise? Because the anode of diode is connected through a resistor to the positive terminal of our battery and the cathode of diode through the LED connected the negative terminal of battery. We will stop the simulation and change the direction of our diode. Now the cathode of our diode is connected to the positive terminal of battery and anode of our diode is connected to the negative terminal of battery. Then we will start simulation and you can see the LED is not glow because the diode is reverse wise. We know when diode is in forward wise, then it conduct the current, and when diode is in reverse wise, then it not conduct the current. Thank you for watching this video.